everyone, and welcome back to our show, Polly and Koki Movie Reviews. Today, Polly and I are going to do a review of Airplane 1 and 2. Wait a minute, what? You mean those two movies that kind of don't make sense at all? Surely you can't be serious. Well, as a matter of fact, I am serious, Polly, and don't call me Shirley. Now, Airplane 1 and 2 are like parodies of airplane disaster movies, but it's just downright funny and it will make us laugh like crazy. You kinda got me there, Koki. I guess they're like, live action cartoons. You know, like Looney Tunes, Tom and Jerry, a little bit of Disney, that sort of stuff. Oh yeah, I guess that kind of reminds me of cartoons too, Polly. Well, enough about cartoons. Let's get back to the movie review. This is about Ted Stryker, who has fear of planes, but he has to fly a plane with passengers on to safe landing. And it happened again in Airplane 2, the sequel, which is this time is a rocket ship to the moon. In the first movie, the people in the plane, including the pilots, ate some fish for dinner and they got sick. Wow, really? All of that to make them sick? Are you sure about that, Koki? Yeah, I am sure. If you don't believe me, Polly, here's a clip to let you know about it. Okay, everyone, here is a clip of the Don't Eat the Fish scene. Ooh, see that, Doctor? That's Leslie Nielsen. I love Leslie Nielsen. Oh yeah, he was great in Dracula Dead, I'm Loving It. He was such a funny Dracula. Hey guys, if you don't know who Leslie Nielsen is, he was the one in The Naked Gun, Dracula Dead, I'm Loving It, and Airplane that we're seeing now. He was such a good actor. Rest in peace, Leslie Nielsen. Uh-oh. Guys, pay attention. Pay attention to the pilot. Yeah, pay attention. Stop talking. Why aren't you... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. He's got... Oh, look out. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Can we show that to the viewers? Show what? You know, the girl thing. Never mind. We'll talk about it later. Right now, we need to panic! Wait a minute.
There it is.
Oh. Yippee! Automatic pilot to the rescue! Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Thank God. Oh, yeah, thank God. For a second there, I thought they were going to crash.
Elaine Dickinson, I'm the stewardess. Captain Overs passed out on the floor and we've lost the co-pilot. Navigator 2, we're in terrible trouble.
Wow. Okay, the girl named Elaine is calling for help, and there's help right now. Okay.
Tell all dispatchers to remain at the post. It's going to be a long night. How about the coffee, Johnny? No thanks. I want the weather.
Oh, there's that funny guy.
No matter what the sign. You understand? Any place where there's a chance.
Oh, I love this movie. It's just absolutely funny. Wait a minute. Are those guys like fused together? What's going on here? Okay, it is a funny movie, but it just doesn't make sense sometimes. Yeah, I agree with you, Polly, but that's what makes it funny and hilarious. I just love this movie. Anyway, all hope seems lost for the airplane, but luckily, Ted Stryker came to the rescue and managed to land the plane in a nick of time. Okay, here's the landing scene. Oh. We know. Whoop. Wait, is that guy doing laundry? This is no time to do the laundry. What the? That looks unsafe. Wow. He's upside down. Everything's upside down. Apple, apple, apple. Why'd you say apple? To avoid the other word. Oh no. Hey! That was close. But they're not out of the woods yet. Whoa! I hope he'll be okay. I hope so too. Land that plane! Land that plane! Watch it! Watch it! Watch it! Look out below! Watch it! Watch it! Look out below! Up. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! Thank you, Leslie Nelson. Thanks, Leslie Nelson. Oh, he's sweating like crazy. Wow, this is nuts. Whoa, oh, 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 he lost the wheels. Whoa, yikes. Okay, that guy over there is just plain crazy. Yeah, I agree with you. Run! 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 Up! Oh, thank God! Oh, yeah. That's gonna hurt. Well, folks, if you think that's crazy, wait till you see this. See what? Oh, I remember this. This is from Airplane 2, the sequel. Yeah, this time they're in a rocket ship, but the computer has gone crazy and now it's off course. Yeah, but those guys don't care about that. Yep, but they're about to hear another news.
The bombs you feel are asteroids smashing into the hull of the
Okay.
ship. Also, we're flying without a navigational system and can't seem to change course.
Yeah. Uh-oh, here it comes.
Not exactly. We're also out of coffee.
That's it? All that for coffee? Yep. Apparently, they love coffee. Aw, man, this is bananas. Wow! Don't rock the rocket! Ah! Censor that! Oh, no. Okay, I wasn't expecting some bad words, but don't worry, Polly. We are not going to be like that, and most importantly, we have coffee. Attention, we have an announcement. Okay, let me see. There's Polly, Koki, Pip, Snowflake, Boozy, Houdini, and Stewie. Looks like everyone is here. Okay, let's get it started. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this emergency announcement. We discovered that Gorgo, the evil gorilla, has joined forces with Lord Trollface and MySpace to take over our YouTube channel. Now, we have reason to believe this is bad news.
Yeah, that's right, Long John Silver, and the worst part is Pennywise is back and became friends with Lord Trollface once again, which is kind of bad news for us all.
Bad news! Bad news! Bye. Long John Silver, are you telling us absolutely everything? Not exactly, Polly. We're also out of coffee. What the? Oh no! We're out of coffee! Everyone, calm down, I beg of you, darlings. Please, calm down. Please, I beg of you, darlings. Please, calm down, please. Where's my coffee, Koki? I want my coffee! Whoa, take it easy, everyone. Please calm down. Calm down. I want my coffee, Stewie! I want my coffee! I want my coffee! Houdini! What have you done with my coffee? Unhurt me, you bird! Oh, this is terrible, my darlings. Oh, they need to go on a coffee-proof diet or something. Oh, man, this is bad news, my darling. Any ideas, Long John Silver? Don't worry, Bat. I'm thinking. Don't worry, I'm thinking. Wow, that looks fun. Bite. That looks fun. I want to join in the fun. Wait, Crikey, come back. It's dangerous. No. Hey, Paul, can I play? Crikey, where's my coffee? I want my coffee. I don't know. Bite. This is fun. Aw, man, this is just crazy.
Oh yeah, right, boss. It is crazy. Right, boss. Never fear, everyone. I'm the heroic Penguin. Trusty sidekick to Bat will go to the supermarket and get some more coffee.
It's a good thing that Penguin went to the supermarket and got some more coffee, but I hope you learned your lesson. Never ever go crazy for coffee. Okay, we're sorry, very bad pirates. We're sorry, Bat, and sorry and thank you, Penguin. Let's never speak about this ever again.